Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Regardless of what time you're listening to this video, we're just glad you're here. Staying committed to yourself, because that's what this is all about, staying committed to yourself as well as your credit. Of course, you got yours truly, Mr.
and Mrs.
Smith, your instructors for this credit challenge, and we got a lot in store for you for, just partnering up with us. We really want to see you become credit savvy, get your credit boosted, and build wealth simultaneously. So this should look very familiar. I'm going to go ahead and enter, proceed with no caution, because hopefully you already know what's going on and how to access everything. And of course, everything is housed inside of the 750 credit plan. So let's enter. Do a brief recap, very brief. As you know, we've been keeping up. The modules have been lining up with the days. So day 1 was module 1, day 2 was module 2, and so on. So we covered a lot of things, from getting your credit report, reading the credit report, disputing items, mailing off letters. That was a big one. Utilization, showing you the right way to go about that. That's a lifetime journey of debt elimination right there by itself. But today, of course, is day 9, which means we're talking about module line.
Yes, module 9, how to get credit mixture. Let's open that bad boy up. Now, you guys, this one does not have any downloads. It's literally only a video. And if you're looking, this video is only 5 minutes and 49 seconds. See, if you're following these steps, if you're doing everything that we've been giving you over these last 8 days, you automatically have credit mixture. That's what you got to understand. See, credit mixture roughly accounts for about 10% of your points towards your overall credit score, okay? And we're working for how many points, you guys? 550, because everybody starts out with 300, right? Right, you learned that, okay? So here's what you got to understand about credit mixture. What they're looking for, you guys, is a combination of revolving debt as well as installment debt, okay? You learned this in the 5-day challenge. I'm going to say it again. Revolving debt is like your credit card. Installment debt is like your mortgage or your auto loan. See, we don't know why they want the mixture of both. My theory, my guess, is that maybe they want to see just overall how responsible you are. They want to know that you can manage long-term debt. They want to know that you can manage short-term debt, and they want to know that you can manage debts that go up and down. Can you handle it? Are you a responsible individual, right? That's just my theory, but I don't know. We don't know why they want you to have installment and revolving. And they want you to have 3 revolving to 1 installment. Another thing, we know that a lot of you guys are taking on this 30-day challenge because you're trying to get installment debt, right? You're trying to get a mortgage, or you're trying to get a car. So make sure you're following these things verbatim. Basically, we're giving you the game, you guys. It's all here, everything that you need. So it's really time for us to just get to work.
Absolutely, and I can't wait to see those testimonies. That's what we do it for. That's why we're here. Keep those questions coming. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put it in the comments inside the group so we can address them and make sure you're heading in the right direction. I think everything is cut and dry, simple and plain, but we can't wait to see those testimonies. We got a lot in store for you as it relates to everything that comes along with what you gained access to. This is just the beginning, baby. So we don't want to keep this video longer than it has to be. Get to work. You got all the tools. You got everything you need. The rest is on you.
And paint some vision going forward.
Now, going forward, you see, understanding credit is a piece to the puzzle as it relates to, what people say they want to do. A lot of times they better their credit to accomplish or acquire something like a car or a home. But most of the time when you think deep of what buying a home does, it adds a wealth building piece to the family, because it can be an asset. It can be something that can be passed down. It can be something that that accumulates some equity. So we want to talk wealth building in conjunction to credit, because they go hand in hand. I know you got in for the credit, but we really want you to be financially free all together. So that's what this group coaching is all about. Wealth building, credit building, because they all tie in. So hold on to your seats.
Yes.
The best is yet to come.
All right, that's all we got, you guys. Make sure you tag your accountability partners. Make sure you're getting to work, and feel free to post your questions under this video. That's all we got.
Mr.
and Mrs. Smith, signing out.